Save time and money by sending automated phone calls, bulk text messages, and emails to thousands with ease. NOTiFi is an easy-to-use multi-channel mass notification system. With NOTiFi you can create standard message templates and import your customer contact list. Sending notifications to your customers is easy and can be done in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Create your message template. Your message template will outline the format and content of your message, which can be a text, automated phone call, or email. For automated phone calls, NOTiFi will convert your text to speech or play an uploaded audio clip. Step 2. Import your contact list. Create a recipient group and import your contact list, which can be an Excel spreadsheet or CSV file. The contact list will have the telephone numbers, email addresses, and if necessary any information specific to the customer such as name, dates, dollar amounts, or other information. Step 3. Schedule your message. After you have created your message template and imported your contact list, you can schedule your messages for delivery. That's all. Your messages will start going out to your customers, and what would normally take days, weeks, or even months can now take minutes or a few hours.
After submitting our schedule, NOTiFi will begin contacting our customers. Depending on the message formats we selected, NOTiFi will send SMS messages, emails, and phone calls. Notice our SMS message is personalized for our customer. It includes their name, as well as their policy expiration date. This personalized information was imported from our Excel contact list file, and NOTiFi allows you to include up to 6 custom fields in your messages.
Good day, Stephen. This is a call from ABC Insurance. Our records indicate that your motor vehicle insurance policy will expire on the 21st of November, 2022. Please remember to renew on time. To confirm you have received this message, press 1.
We have just received our automated phone call. Just like with our SMS message, our voice call was personalized with the name and specific policy expiration date for the customer. This is one of the most in-demand features of NOTiFi, as it allows you to tailor calls specific to your customer with the relevant information required. As you can see, our email message has been sent using the email template we created, and personalized information has been substituted for our merge tags. In this case, the customer's name and policy expiration date are included.
For each notification, NOTiFi keeps a log. The log indicates the status of the message. If it's a call, it indicates whether the call has been answered or unanswered, as well as the time of delivery. For emails, it tells whether or not an email was opened, and for SMS messages sent with a URL link, it can also tell if the link was clicked. Sign up for your free 14-day trial and evaluation of NOTiFi today, and bring the latest in innovation to your business.